Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night from whatever part of the world you guys are watching. This is Ricky and welcome to my video games world. And yes, before we start, give us a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to our channel, and yes, this is the Stream Deck unboxing. It's actually really easy to control different sources, like for example ElGato Game Capture HD, TP Steam as well, Twitter, OBS, Twitch, Streamlabs as well, YouTube, XSplit, and I mean more stuff. There's a lot of stuff to work with this amazing product. So this is made by ElGato as well, and it's called the Stream Deck. So we're gonna unbox this. Alright, I already opened it, so you guys can actually see what's going on with this thing right here. Okay, it has, of course, it has a deck. Okay, there we go. Really simple to use. Couple buttons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 buttons. All right. There's another one, I believe, the mini, that it has like a little bit, but this one works really good for us. You guys can connect it to your computer via USB. All right, and of course it has kind of a stand. Yeah, this is a stand, so we can actually put this right here on this part right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you guys how this thing looks like connected to the computer. Right, so before I start connecting this to the computer, I would like to let you know, guys, how to install this as well. So this is the stand. Okay, you guys can see right here, but if I move it this way, this becomes like that, and then if I move it this way, there is nothing that can stop this from falling. So there we go. These parts right here, the little thumbs right here, they go out. So you you can actually adjust the position. All right. For example, if you need something like this, something like that, you just adjust the position right there, and that should be it. You guys can actually put a little bit lower as well. So it just depends where you guys want this to be. So I like this way. I like a little bit higher. So now what you guys do is just put this right here, and that's it. That's the only thing you guys have to do. Yeah. Now once you lift it from here, you guys gotta be careful, all right? Because then you probably can have this can happen. So you guys just try to be a little bit careful on that, and that's it. We got it. We got it. So here we go. Once the Stream Deck is connected, it looks like this, but with all these buttons on this default color. All right. So I already made my own setup right here. This is like a button to go back to the beginning. Okay, this is a folder. I can create folders. If, for example, if Celine needs streaming, she needs to have her own folder with her own things, or it just depends. This is my folder for my streams, so you guys can see right here. I have different setups, and instead of images, I have this other stuff. Let me just try to focus so you guys can see. There we go. I think this should be it. I think that should be it. All right, let me go a little bit lower on this part right here so you guys can see. And now you guys got it. There we go. So you guys can see right now we are looking at the my setup of the Stream Deck, and some of the images are like GIF images. Okay, you guys see that my images move. These are called GIF images. All right, look at that. So all my setup has some static images like this ones, like the logos, or some other images as well. For example, this one. All right, once it's connected and of course working, it appears like that. Look at that. So this is this is my defaults. This is what I have. So for example, right here, have more. This is for the like music. All right. Some another kind of setup right here. Look at that. So this is my Stream Deck setup. this is the music part, my the music deck. So here I activate the music. So it's really nice. I really recommend it. You guys can buy it at any store. All right, you guys can buy it at any store. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys soon. I will see you guys later. Don't forget to give us a huge like on the video, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy our live streams as well. See you guys later. Bye bye.